So hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today in this video I'm going to discuss with you all about a very important topic that you, as an optometrist, you all should know, that is about stenopic slit testing. Okay, so you can call this stenopic slit as an elongated pinhole which is having width of 1 millimeter and length of this slit is 25 millimeter. Okay, so this stenopic slit is actually very much useful to find out the astigmatic axis and power. So suppose the patient is having irregular astigmatism, or you want to do subjective refraction and find out the astigmatic axis, then it is a very easy way to do it. Okay, so stenopic slit is having a slit like opening, and these other parts are opaque, so that this stenopic slit allows only one meridian of light rays to get enter to the eye. So how to proceed for this stenopic slit? First of all, find the best vision sphere and then fog the patient. Okay, so you are giving the patient best vision sphere, and even after giving the best vision sphere, suppose the patient is not satisfied, and you know that and you find that in your dry retinoscope there is astigmatic value, so you given the patient spherical power. Now it's time for astigmatic power. So for that you first need to fog the patient. Okay, and then put the stenopic slit on your tile frame and rotate the stenopic slit 360-degree, and instruct the patient to tell you at what position of the stenopic slit the image is appearing clear. Okay, so let me draw a meridian. So suppose the patient informed you that at 90-degree meridian the image is appearing clear. Okay, so as you already fogged the patient, okay, so this is the fogging lens. Okay, so this is the fogging lens, and at this meridian the patient feel comfortable. Okay, so suppose this fogging lens is plus 2. Okay, so you will fog the patient in a way where the patient will not see, or patient visual acuity get reduced and up to 2 lines. Okay, so suppose the patient best vision sphere is visual acuity 6/9, so the fogging lens should give the visual acuity at least 6/12 or 6/18. So suppose by putting this plus 2 the patient is reading 6/12. Okay, so now you need to reduce the patient, you need to reduce this uh, lens power. Okay, so you need to reduce this lens power, so at 0.5 diopter steps. Okay, so by fogging the patient, it means that you are making the patient myopic, and now you are going to do the defogging. Okay, so you are now defogging the patient in this meridian only. Okay, so reduce the power, so you will reduce this power and make it 1.5. Okay, 1.50, and tell the patient to tell you the image is appearing clear or not. Suppose the patient said that the image is still not cleared, so you will again reduce it at 0.5 and reach at 1.00. Now the patient saying that in this meridian the image is appearing clear. It indicate that this this power is giving clear vision to this meridian. Okay, so you got the first principal axis in this 90. Now what you will do is that you will rotate the stenopic slit. Suppose this is the trial frame. Okay, now you will rotate the stenopic slit to the previous axis was 90-degree. Now opposite of 90-degree is 180-degree. Okay, so you will need to rotate the stenopic slit at 180-degree. Okay, now the patient will say that the image is appearing blur. You clear the visual acuity, you clear the image at 90-degree axis. but you rotated the axis at 180 degree. Now it is again blur. So what you will need to do? So in this axis, the patient is seeing blur, and your reduced power was plus 1.00. Now you will need to reduce power from this value. Okay, so suppose you reduce the power and make it plus 0.50, and now the patient is saying in this horizontal meridian the image is appearing clear. It indicates that the patient is seeing clear in this horizontal axis also. So now let's go to a conclusion and find out the actual astigmatic axis and power. Okay, so let we draw an optical cross. So this is the vertical meridian, this is the horizontal meridian. So at vertical meridian, the image is cleared at plus 1.00. Okay, and in horizontal meridian, image is cleared at plus 0.50. Okay, so what will be the final value of this cylindrical power? So it will be difference between these two. Okay, so what is the difference between these two value is plus 0.50. Okay, so this is the uh, cylindrical power. Okay, this is the 0. Okay, 0.50. Now what is the axis? So the axis will be the first axis that you got. This is the principal axis. Second will not be the axis, first will be the axis. That means you will put the cylindrical axis on 90 degree. Okay, so the power will be suppose you got the spherical value plus 2. Okay, and you now got the cylindrical value 0.50. So ultimate power will be plus 2 spherical plus 0.50 cylinder at 90 degree. So this will be the final power. So this is how, by using stenopic slit, you can easily find the astigmatic axis and power. So we have taken very easy meridian, there is 90. Suppose the patient is saying that at 60 degree the image is appearing clear. So at 60 degree, okay, at 60 degree image is appearing clear. So you will again continue defogging, because previously you fogged the patient. Now after putting the stenopic slit you will start defogging the patient. Okay, and at a point the patient will say that yeah, yes, the image is clear. So you need to rotate the stenopic slit opposite to this axis, that is 150 degree. Okay, so at 150 degree the patient will say that the image is blur. So you will continue defogging until the patient say that in this axis the image is clear, and then calculate the difference between the power you got in this axis and in this axis, and the final cylindrical axis will be the first got axis. Okay, not the second one, the first one. Okay, so that's how you will find the astigmatic axis and power by using stenopic slit. Okay, so that's all friends, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much.